friends, and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is part of the playlist called Windows Tips and Tricks, and here we'll be learning how to add a watermark to a Word document. So we may sometimes want to add a watermark to a document to protect it in case somebody reproduces or copies that document. In this video, I'll be demoing how it can be done on a Word document. However, we know that you can always export this Word doc as a PDF file, and that will help to preserve the watermark you added, and protect it from being tampered with. So we can add a watermark to a Word document in three ways. The first is using a predefined watermark. So on the Design tab, I click, let's say you're in Home, you click on Design tab, and then you click on Watermark, okay? And this is the predefined. So you have a couple of predefined watermarks here. These are confidential, do not copy, you don't see the others. Okay, you can scroll down and you can see others, okay? So the first way to add a watermark is using a predefined one. In this case, let's just say I will select the one that is called confidential. So after clicking that, you will see the confidential watermark being displayed at the background of the document, okay? So if you save that document, save this document, then you will have this watermark in it. And if you really want to preserve it, then protect it, then you can export this document as a PDF, okay? Something that has been discussed in a previous video, okay? So that's the first way of adding a watermark to your Word document. The second way is you can add your own text, customized text as a watermark to this document. So again, on the Design tab, you click on Watermark, and then you scroll somewhere down. Oh, you don't see it. Somewhere down there is a custom watermark. You click on Custom Watermark. You'll see it in the context menu, and then from there, you click on, these are called radio buttons, these three. You can click on the radio button called Text Watermark, which is now already selected. And here in the text field, you can enter your preferred text. Maybe something like, do not reproduce, something like that. It's up to you what kind of text you want to put in there. And after entering your text, your preferred text, you can click on OK, okay? So the text that you have entered is already being displayed as the watermark to the document, in the document itself, okay? So that's the second way of adding a watermark. The third way is to add an image file as a watermark to the document, okay? I hope you can see the watermark there. Okay, the third is adding an image file. You can think of a company logo or something like that as a watermark to your document. So again, you will go to your Design tab where we are in already, and then you click on Watermark. And again, you will not see, somewhere down below, you will click on, let me just go in, Custom Watermark. And then here you click on Picture Watermark, the radio button called Picture Watermark. And then you can browse for the photo that you wanted to use as a watermark. Okay, you can click on this Select Picture button, and then I can go to the location of the image file that I have. Okay, I will go here, and then I have this file over here. Once I get to the file, I can click on the Insert button. You can see the Insert button over here, okay? And after that, you can either click on Apply, or you can just straight away click on the OK button. So with that action, the image file that you have selected is now being displayed as a watermark, as a backdrop watermark to your document. You see it down here, okay? DBOS. Okay, so these are the three ways that you can add a watermark to your Word document. First is using a predefined watermark text there, like confidential. Second is customizing it using your own text, your own words. And the third is adding an image file. And if at all, in the future, somewhere down the road, you decided to just remove the watermark, no problem. You can go to the same place, click on the Design tab, and then click on Watermark, And then here, again, you don't see it, so sorry. You click on custom watermark. And then after doing that, you click on no watermark this time, this radio button, and then you just click on OK. At that instant, the watermark will disappear. Okay. So, and then you can just save it. Okay. So there you go. We have learned three ways, at least three ways of adding a watermark to your Word document. And again, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you really want to protect the watermark, you can just easily export this. You say file, export, and then you can export this Word document as a PDF file, and then distribute that document. Okay. So there you go. If you haven't subscribed yet, I do suggest you click subscribe and click the bell and share this channel to your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.